In this video, we will discuss shadow variables and their examples. Firstly, let's see what shadow variables actually are. In programming languages, shadow variables appear when we declare some variable globally and then define it locally with the same name. When we're defining it locally, the behavior with the same name. When we do it again local, we declare it locally. The behavior is that of shadow variable. For example, if I read its definition firstly, when a variable is declared in certain scope, has the same name defined on its outer space. Here, outer scope means that we are declaring its variable globally and then we are calling the variable again locally. So, when it has the same name globally and locally, it is called a shadow variable. Global and local variables exist in different scopes. Global, as we have discussed previously, exists outside of scope. Like this example, let username, this is outside the function and the scope. I can use this anywhere in the program, and locally we have discussed this before. This defined here in the function and only takes this name. So if the value of local variable is different from that of the global, but if it is the same name, we call it shadow behavior. We will discuss this example. Here we have taken a name, a username. We have declared it Sana. Now we have written a function. What is happening in the function is that a parameter is passing. Same name, and we have another variable with the same name. We have not initialized the value yet. Initializing the value is different. Here we have initialized it again with the same name, and we have assigned this to its parameter. We will give the output here. So what we've done after this is this function has called it and we've sent all of this here. So again, we will change this username value to Saba and give its value here while running it again. What will be the value in here? Sana, and here will be Saba. What the local variable is using the parent variable, that is, the names are same, so what is this behavior? Shadow behavior. So we will run this, refresh it. So user is Sana and user is Saba. I have gotten two values here.